The Equatio Whiteboard is your interactive canvas for teaching and learning math. This dynamic input method allows you to enter math, draw shapes, add arrows or lines, annotate freely, add text entries, and even embed YouTube videos directly onto the whiteboard. One of our most widely used features in Equatio is the equation editor featuring prediction. Not only is this a time saver for teachers who are authoring digital math problems for students, but it is a great place for students to show their work and communicate their understanding. Users of Equatio know that math has always been very simple to insert into docs, sheets, slides, forms, etc. But now we've added a compact button into the bottom right corner that allows users to insert directly to the whiteboard. Once math has been inserted, it can easily be edited by right-clicking on the math and choosing Edit in Equatio, or simply double-click on your entry to return to the editor to make your corrections. For those users who need accommodations, we have you covered. Right-click on a selection, choose Alt Text, and access the spoken math on the right side, or press the audio button to play it out loud.
6 lines. Line 1, solve for p colon line 2, negative 8p plus 3 equals negative 29. Line 3.
There are many features to love about this whiteboard. Let's start with the customizations. Each shape can be altered to your liking, including color, background, stroke width, stroke style, sloppiness, opacity, and more. You may also notice that right-clicking on an item on the whiteboard provides additional flexibility in terms of shape placement, snapping to other objects, removal of the grid paper, and more. We've even included our own shapes library right inside the whiteboard. This means you can access a variety of math and STEM manipulatives by clicking on the item you wish, and it inserts right into the whiteboard easily. The user experience of our whiteboard is extremely intuitive, engaging for all users, and incredibly versatile.